Right, so you are welcome to the next lesson, and what I'll basically be doing in this lesson is to link up our Paystack payment gateway to our e-commerce platform. All right, now in our previous lesson, we saw how to set up our Paystack account, and we're able to set up our Paystack merchant gateway, and then also we were able to navigate around the user interface of the payment platform. Now in this lesson, what we are basically be doing is for us to connect our e-commerce platform to the merchant gateway so that we start receiving payment, okay, whenever a customer wants to make purchase or transaction on our website. Now, first and foremost, we already installed a plugin called the Paystack plugin. All right, I've included this plugin inside the resources. You can head over to the resources folder to install and download this plugin. And now once you installed, we also covered how to install a plugin using the zip upload, and you can do that, or you can directly go to your plugin section and then you install this plugin from the plugins repository. Now once you've done that, come over to WooCommerce and then head over to the settings section and then swap to the payment tab here, and it's going to display all the available installed payment methods which are listed here on the platform. That's on the admin interface. Now we have to first of all switch this on. Right, so we've turned on the Paystack. Now if you are running an e-commerce platform that accepts direct bank transfer, you can as well include this option, right? Direct bank transfer. If you're accepting cash on delivery, you can as well turn this on. But we'll first of all set up our Paystack gateway. Right, so click on finish setup. And now when you click on finish setup, we have some the next page that comes up which says enable Paystack. We already enabled that in the previous page. And now the important option we'll be looking at is going to be this they call it the enable test mode. Now for now, what you have to do, let's head over to our Paystack dashboard, and what this test mode does is that it helps you, because I know customers are going to be using their ATM card to make transactions or payment on your platform. So when you are working with the test mode, it allows you to use a kind of dummy data, not the real card. You can just type any values and test out if your payment gateway has actually been integrated to your platform. So Paystack allows us to switch on the test mode so we could test out if actually there are activities linking up between our payment gateway and also our e-commerce platform. So basically we'll be switching on the test mode, which is currently by default is always turned on. That is a test mode. Now head over to your settings because you want to get the APIs of the Paystack and link it up with our WooCommerce plugin. Now when you've opened your settings, head over to the API keys and what is called the webhooks. Now we have the live API configuration mode here, and also we have the test mode API configurations. But since we are working on the test mode, you can click on this eye icon here to reveal the test secret keys. So these are the two keys you'll be using. The first one is the secret key, then the second is the public keys, and these are all available both on the test mode and also on the live mode API configurations. So copy out this for the test secret key and then head over to the test secret key here, and then you paste it here, what you just copied. All right, and then you can as well go over to the test public key, copy that out and then paste it here. That is the test public key. And now we have option here that says pop shows the payment pop-up on the page. Pop-up shows the payment pop-up on the page, while redirect will redirect the customer to Paystack to make payment. Now there are, okay, let's say for example, let's select one option which says the pop-up. We are going to be seeing the redirect option also. Now let's make it pop up. All right, so whenever a customer clicks on purchase now or buy now option, it's going to pop up a page where the customer will now input the card details before making purchase on the platform. All right, now you can as well enable customers to save their card. Okay, enable payment via saved card. And but for now, this is basically the options we'll be looking at. Now click on save changes. All right, click on save changes. And now what you've just done now is that we've enabled Paystack. We've linked up Paystack API to our e-commerce platform. All right, so but we are already we only enable the test mode, right, which is not going to allow us accept live payment. You can all only accept the test payment on our platform. Now in my next lesson, we'll be testing out a product purchase on the platform so we could see what is actually going on here. All right, so thank you so much for joining me, and I'm expecting to see you in our next lesson.